Hey, in this video we will see how the Azure SRE Agent can troubleshoot networking infrastructure problems, more concretely networking issues. I will simulate an on-prem network with Container Lab, with which you can deploy and simulate routers from Cisco, Nokia, Arista, etc. And also I will bring telemetry from these simulated routers, meaning SNMP metrics, syslog messages, accounting messages from radios into Azure Monitor, so that we can generate alerts and the Azure SRE agent can react to those alerts and troubleshoot the problems and eventually even fix automatically, although this is configurable depending on whether you set your agent to in autonomous mode or not. Okay. Everything is in that repo. In GitHub you saw the link for, so without further ado, let's go. We start on a clean slate. All my connection monitors are green, which is the main way in which the connectivity problems will be detected. I will inject a routing fault, which will consist in an OSPF area mismatch. So as you can see, nothing to do with Azure networking. OSPF is not an Azure concept, so the SRE agent will be troubleshooting on a technology completely disjoint from Azure. There are multiple ways in which we can detect the connectivity issue. It could be the syslog messages that are sent when BGP adjacencies go down. In this case, the quickest detection is going to be the connection monitor, since I have some synthetic traffic being generated to a simulated on-prem system that goes through those virtual routers, and that ping will essentially fail, which will generate an alert in Azure, and this alert will be picked up by the SRE agent, which will transform it into an incident and will start troubleshooting immediately. It will start gathering some context and information around the problem. It will try to verify that the alert is a real one and not a problem of the telemetry. It will deploy and decide on a troubleshooting plan, which is mostly derived from its knowledge base. And from then on, it will start the troubleshooting process. The first signal it will see is that BGP is down, but then it will keep on investigating and it will figure out that the problem is not BGP, but actually OSPF, which is advertising the loopbacks used by the BGP adjacencies. And by comparing the OSPF configuration and design with the information it knows about how the design should look like, mainly everything in area 0, it will find out that there is this area mismatch. It will detect that as a misconfiguration or as a drift or deviation from the ideal configuration as described by its knowledge base. And since I configured the agent in fully autonomous mode, it will start with the remediation immediately. It will revert the misconfigured area back to area 0. It will see that the OSPF adjacency will form again, and then it will start evaluating whether with that change everything is back to normal. It's investigating. It can take some time until everything comes back, like BGP adjacencies are brought up again, tries to decide whether waiting a bit or doing a hard BGP reset. Keeps investigating. In the meantime, we can go and check our connection monitors and we will see that they are all green. So it shouldn't take it too long to realize that everything is okay, and there you go. Recovery is confirmed now. So the problem is fixed, and then it writes this quick report describing what it did. And this shows that you can use Azure SRE Agent for troubleshoot also infrastructure issues on premises and not only in Azure.